This is Ems14 and big old shout out to all supporters and viewers ni Sis Len and especially Team Full Support. So happy birthday Sis Len. I wish you all the best and stay healthy and pretty. So I just want to say thank you din for being my co-founder in Team Full Support at syempre sa friendship na rin. Hindi man perfecto ang ating pagiging pagkaibigan pero wala naman yatang perfectong tao. So ayok magdrama. Basta happy birthday at laging unahin ang sarili bago ang iba. Ayun lang ang lagi masasabi ko. So, enjoy your day and happy birthday once again. Bye-bye. Get louder! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, you know that? The Team Full Support, sino ang may birthday? Si Lynn Vlog for Hong Kong. Mega loud shout out Lynn Vlog from Hong Kong. Mega loud shout out to you and thank you so much sa mainit inyong pagtanggap saan sa Team Full Support. Mega shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for bringing your friends all, guys. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang sayawan, happy birthday! Sana'y mapasaya mo kami. Happy birthday to you! Sa'yo ang kasayahan, sa amin ang sayawan. Happy birthday. This is Lorena Kikay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, La. I hope more birthday to come. And of course, for healthy. Yan, keep your hair, alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Alam mo yan. Kasi dapat talaga, life is short. That's why, alagaan natin ang ating sarili. Happy birthday, Lynn Vlog from Team Full Support.
Ayan, si Lynn, napag-atasan lang din, gumawa ng greetings. Happy birthday, Sis Lynn. Sana, wish ko lang sa'yo na sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan.
Yan, happy birthdays to you. Wala naman ako masyadong may message tayo, kundi good health, good life, good heart, and good love life. Happy birthday, partner.
Hi, bebe. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana mahanap mo na yung lalaking magmamahal at magpapatibok ng puso mo. Ayan. Napakaswerte nung lalaki na magmamahal sa'yo kasi napakabuti ng puso mo. We love you, bebe. Keep growing your channel.
Hi, Ate Ganda! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Enjoy lang ha, mintras lamig pa. Mintras baskong pa. Enjoy your day, Ate Ganda! Happy birthday! I love you! I miss you! See you!
Happy birthday to you.
Time flies. You know, I don't have any words to say. All I wish and pray are more blessings to come and a companion that could make you happy. You know, I won't make my speech any longer because later on I have to go to the language center to teach. So that's all. Bye.
May ganap shout out, darling Bibe. Happiest birthday. Happiest birthday talaga yan. Happiest birthday, darling Bibe. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Hindi lang ngayon, kundi sa mga susunod pa ng mga araw. At sana matagpuan mo na yung Mr. Right. Ayan. Sana dumating na siya sa tamang panahon bago man lang tayo maminupos. Charing. O, diba? Yan. Yun lang masasabi ko, darling Bibi. I wish you all the best in life. Only the best lang, ha? At saka, thank you so much sa... Ito na, ikukunin ko na itong opportunity na to. Nagpasalamat sa'yo sa binigay mo sa anak ko, kay Biron, sa pa-Jollibee, at saka syempre sa cookies na binigay mo sa akin. Yan. Maraming salamat, darling Bibi, for being a generous friend of mine. Thank you so much at nakilala ko kayo ni darling siyang. Ayan. Sa ulitin, darling Bibi, thank you so much and happy birthday. Enjoy your day!
Ate, happy birthday. Wish you always in good health and magiging masaya parate. Be strong na kung ano mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan natin. Kaya natin yan. Alam mo yan. And God bless you more. Thank you sa lahat. Alam mo naman yun kung anong mga pinagpapasalamat ko sa iyo. Love you. Enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday.
Hey, Lenti Vlog! Andito kami ng Rinja Vlog and with my friend. Happy birthday, Cecilin! And wish you all the best. Happy birthday, love you! Love you!
Hi, Cecilin! Welcome back to my channel! But anyway, happy birthday sa iyo. And thank you sa friendship, ha? Kasi almost a year na wala na ko nagkuhan sa akong YouTube, kaya wala naman. But you never forget me pa rin. Thank you so much. And wish you all the best in life. And stay healthy. And hopefully, makita-anani mo ang imong partner for life. Okay? Enjoy your day, Cici. Happy birthday. And thank you. God bless.
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to
Una sa lahat is maraming salamat sa invitation na mag-send sa'yo ng birthday greetings and happy birthday to you, Linty Vlogs, all the way from Hong Kong. And of course, maraming salamat sa love and support ng iyong tropa ng team full support, si Manay M, si RSL, si Iko, si Boss Rosmo, si Flavio, sa inyo lahat, si Lady Annie, MPC, shoutout sa inyo lahat, si Lorena. The most important is today is your birthday. Just enjoy yourself, always down to earth. Just be happy, you know, just enjoy your life. DXBB TV is sending my salute and respect to you, Sisigoy, Limpy Vlogs, mabuhay ang yung channel, and I wish more birthday to come. Just keep it up, you know, and once again, happy birthday, happy for your channel, and thank you for your great support, yeah, amazing support to my channel, and as well to my team, True Loves. Yeah, thank you very much once again. Enjoy your life. Happy birthday once again. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, co-founder Linpy. And greetings po. Keep safe, stay healthy.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging healthy at hindi magbabago at saka sana soon magkita-kita tayo sa Pinas at sa lahat na po ng Team Full Support. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong solid suporta, guys. Shoutout po sa Team Full Support. Kaya sana makabati din kayo sa kaarawan ng ating co-founder Len P. Vlog. Len, salamat po sa iyong suporta. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Bye-bye! Salamat, guys!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to